कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
For Madam Director, DHS Rahman, Dr. Vishnu from NEA,
Kumbalong lem kiwe ki Jylla pokari India ka Jylla Meghalaya ru manta ka sngi ka khnatrik naiwing kala Rakhe ka sngi ba karpang ya ka balatip kum ka 8 National Ayurveda Day hanong ba Shillong ya ka ne ka jing Rakhe la penlong da District Ayush Society jong ka East Khasi Hills Shillong ya ka bala penlong ha Morio Institute of Integral Training and Research Society Brookdin ya ka ne ka jing Rakhe lawan ban ya simbanta da ka additional DC jong ka East Khasi Hills ka kong di Karshi kum ka kongsan yak balawan lang ru ka Dr. HC Lendem ka balong ka DHS kum ka sembut kongsan hagjing sakhilang Dr. B Chowdhury Assistant Professor jong ka neya balong ru nong sakhot kerpang nalor ki wepat.
This government has taken initiative to develop, promote, propagate Ayurveda all over the India, not only India, outside of the world, outside of this country. This year, around 100 countries is celebrating Ayurveda Day. 100 countries is celebrating Ayurveda Day on the 10th of this month. So Government of India has taken 1 month program regarding this celebration of Ayurveda Day, 8 Ayurveda Day. So 1 month and many aspects has been covered. So the first aim of this Ayurveda Day, the theme that is One Health, and sub-theme is Ayurveda for everyone and every day. Is it possible? Ayurveda for everyone every day. Yes, it is possible. If we adopt Ayurveda every day by everyone, we can control many diseases. We can prevent many diseases. We will be healthy. And if we are healthy, there will be no disease burden. So that's why this concept is coming One Health. There is integrated approach. So everyone knows this work. Accident and emergency allopathy is based. But nowadays you see in worldwide, in India also, in Meghalaya also, every day new hospital is coming up. Health infrastructure is growing. But whether disease burden is reducing? No. Disease burden also increasing. Maximum disease we are getting in the OPDs, not curable. So how to control this disease? It is an economic burden. You see in diabetes, around 10% population is suffering from diabetes mellitus. Like this, many non-communicable diseases increasing. How to control this? So Ayurveda is the only way so that we can control this disease and we can treat, as all the Ayurveda doctors knows, the basic aim, the first aim and objective of Ayurveda is Shastasya Shastra Rakshana. That means prevention of our health. How we have to keep healthy. Whatever we are studying the text. First, all the sections is mentioned how we have to keep ourselves healthy. Then, Shastasya Shastra Rakshana, Aturusha Vikara Pashamanam. Then this treatment part. So Ayurveda is not only, sometimes it is considered Ayurveda is only for prevention. Okay, first aspect is prevention, but many aspects has been mentioned. Treatment procedure has been described that we can treat many conditions. This is fortunate. I want to share one experience. This is the first center, COVID center. We have started our Ayurveda medicine as a preventive. This center, when first we have the COVID, so initially who will do what, everybody is uncertain. So in this center, I have visited and we have started preventive medicine, Ayush Kara, Samsamani Poti, everything. And after that, subsequently, every COVID center we have, from our institute, we have provided preventive care, and later on also asymptomatic and mild symptomatic and up to moderate symptomatic COVID patients we have given treatment. So not only prevention but treatment purpose also we have a very great scope. Now it is our duty to, as an Ayurveda doctor, government is giving huge support, whether in Meghalaya government or central government, I have seen in other state also. Government is giving huge support, financial support and backup through National Ayush Mission. Now our duty, being Ayurveda doctor, we have to adopt Ayurveda and we have to promote Ayurveda, we have to learn Ayurveda. Learning is not ended. Sometimes small adverse effect may be there. So like every food we cannot digest. Somebody can digest easily tomato, somebody cannot. Somebody cannot take meat, somebody can. So like these medicines also, what are the herbs? So sometimes may be allergic to anyone, but you cannot consider it as a side effect. That's what we used to do. Every patient coming to us, first we used to do the kidney profile, liver profile, then we start our medicine. So that blame, we have to prevent our blame also. This is a challenge in the society that we have to prove ourselves best. We are adopting that technique. So you also can adopt such technique, as sometimes we have also doubt whether it is happening. So but practically we are not getting such conditions that our medicine is causing certain problem. But it can happen every molecules, not only medicines. By your food also, food allergy. So like herbs also from food. So as a sub theme, Ayurveda for everyone, everything. So that thing how we can do? That thing only we can do through our diet. As per Ayurveda, as an Ayurveda doctor, only prescribing medicine is not sufficient. Diet and lifestyle. Diet and lifestyle is mandatory. When we are a student or we see we are 20 years before. Maximum this big hospital, they do not have dietitian concept. Now you see in every hospital there is dietitian. So diet is a major role. You have diabetes, you are taking everything and giving medicine, no role. So if you see Harrison's textbook also, these are diabetes, pre-diabetes, no need any medicines. Only you control diet and change your lifestyle. So these theories is not new, these are all old theories. I think you know. 2016, one Japanese scientist got Nobel Prize only on fasting. As per Ayurveda, Langhanam Paramausadam. Langhanam Paramausadam is 5,000 before this has been written. Langhan means fasting. So periodic fasting will kill the free radicals. This term also again autophagy. So many principles Ayurveda is given so that we can prevent many diseases.
National Ayush Mission.
It is a privilege to serve here as your guest of honor. My journey has been one that encompasses the convergence of two worlds, the allopathic medicine and the Ayush system, particularly the homeopathy, Ayurveda, yoga and naturopathy, which are here in existence in our state. As the Director of Health Services and former in charge of Director of Ayush, I have had the unique privilege of experiencing both the modern and the traditional perspectives of healthcare. I have witnessed the power of evidence-based medicine, advanced healthcare delivery systems, and the importance of providing accessible and high-quality healthcare to our citizens. Our commitment to the well-being of the people is unwavering, and we strive to ensure the health of our communities through modern medicines. One important thing the Ayush Secretary has stressed for this important day is to focus on Ayurveda for public health. With the message Ayurveda for everyone, every day, to achieve the objective to promote and to disseminate Ayurveda at international levels, and this has gained much popularity worldwide. Ayurveda, the original healthcare tradition of humanity, is not just a medical system but a manifestation of our symbiotic relationship with nature. It is a well-documented system of healthcare wherein prevention of disease and promotion of health are both given due consideration. As I was going through, browsing through, I came across the part which tells about the routine Ayurvedic morning. What do you do? I found 8 points that was written there. Get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, we wash our face, we brush our teeth, we clean our tongue, and then oil pulling. I really do not know what is that actually, but I have found it there. Drink water, empty your bladder, empty your bowels, do light physical exercise, and then self-massage with oil, and then we have a bath or a shower. So I thought to myself, well, I have been practicing Ayurveda, but I did not know that it was Ayurveda. Ayurveda teaches about eating the right food at the right time, the right exercises, the right sleep, stress management, self-awareness, emotional wellness, and as has been said, also spiritual well-being now is being included. There was a quote that says that Ayurveda teaches us to cherish our innate nature, to love, to honor who we are and not as what people think we should be. Ayurveda is a unique, indisputable branch of medicine, a complete naturalistic system which helps us to achieve the right balance in life. So what I want to stress here and I want to impress here is that it depends on each and every one of you to spread the message of Ayurveda.
I believe that you serve the best and you give the best to the public, and I can encourage you to keep giving your best and to keep working hard, because a service to man is a service to God. As we all know, traditional medicine is more acceptable in our state because they believe that there are lesser side effects as compared to the allopathic medicine. This science of traditional medicine is based on a healthy living on a daily basis and prevention of disease, and focuses not only on curative medicine. I keep encouraging our dear doctors to help our people with your services. To conclude, I would like to share this verse, Matthew 25:40, from the Bible, which states like this. It says like this: "Inasmuch as you did to the least of these, you have done it to me. When you feed the hungry, clothe the naked, tend to the sick, you are serving God as you serve man."